My name is Ken Angelo B. Ortega.
My name is Mark Dustin G. Better. Borja Jashmir H.
Jake Muhammad.
I'm Sharif S. Jasani.
My name is Sandy Park, Ilagaya.
And we are Group 4 of Speed Footwork. So this topic for today is about footwork. What key pointing footwork doesn't offer as much help is speed. Speed is essential in footwork and making sure you reach a shuttle. 6 variants should all be practiced. The first one is front and back, which is straight. In this straight front and back, you want to choose a half chord. Start in the middle. When the timer starts, do a smashing motion after quickly shuffling to the back and turn and then run up to the front and make a neck heel motion. Then keep going back and forth at full speed. So, pag front to back is ganyan na siya. Tapos, yung front niya, ganyan. Ganyan. Tapos, pag back, palikod lang. Tapos, smashing pag ganyan. Tapos, ipabalik-balik-balik lang hanggang, ganyan.
Front and back, diagonal. Number 10 guys. This one is the same as straight except you move diagonally. Smash at the back and then net heel from after running diagonally. For both these drills, you want to switch sides after a few sets so you can practice both backhand and forehand movements. So ito yung guys, yung front and back diagonal. Balik ulit, tapos pagkain tayo. Ganyan lang guys. Rotate.
So let's proceed to number 3, side to side net kill. We start in the middle, slightly more towards the net. Off a full court this time. Once the timer starts, forehand net kill at the net and then move back to the middle. Then backhand net kill and repeat at full speed. So when it comes to side net kill, you have the the positioning of the side to side net kill. When it comes to side net kill, you have to do alternate like this. Just alternate, then at full speed back.
Number 4, side to side, defend no jump. For this drill, start right in the middle and then shuffle and touch its side end. So shuffle right, left and right and full speed. Yung sa drill na to, magsisimula ka sa gitna. Tapos papunta ka sa gilid na mabilis. Shuffle ka na ng shuffle. Shuffle ka na ng shuffle na walang talon. Stay ka lang sa defense mo.
Side to side offense with jump. This one is the same as defense except jump close to the sidelines. With this one you should be able to shuffle, jump. Try not to bounce when you land so you can immediately shuffle when you land. Example like this.
So let's proceed to number 6, corner to corner overhead swings. This one is like a side to side net kill, except you do it with a smashing motion at the back. Go to a corner at the back from the middle and smash, and then move to the middle. Then move to the other corner and smash. Repeat at full speed. So when it comes to corner overhead swings, may similarity sila tulad ng side to side net kill. So it's like parang kanina sa demo, pupunta ka ng left and right then smash. Pero dito with a full speed. And with the motion at the back. So ganito siya.
And that is all for today's performance and our report. Thank you for watching.